have some helpful hints, I hope, when it comes to creating inventory list and how I create inventory when it comes to my artwork. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. Let's first look at an Excel spreadsheet. So let's go into my office. So here is my Excel spreadsheet to show you how I do my inventory. So I have an inventory number. I have the series in which my artwork goes under on my website, the title of the artwork, and the size, substrate, and the price. I also have who I sold it to, which I'm not going to show you that section, but I have who I sold it to, how much shipment cost, and things like that. So let's now look at what I do on my canvas. The next thing I want to talk about is what I do actually on the canvas. So on the back of the canvas, I add a couple things. So let's look at this. Right here, I put the inventory number. The first two numbers indicate the year I painted it. The last three numbers is the order in which I painted it. So this is 272. So that is the 272 paintings I made. I print my name and then I write it. Then the next thing I do is I fill out this form. Let's see if you can see this. If you'd like to see this form, just email me and I will send you a copy. So what's on it is the inventory number, and it says underneath it, let me show you this, it says Certificate of Authenticity, original artwork by Gail A. McFarland. Then the title of the work is placed there, and this one is actually Redhead at the Edge of the River. The dimensions I wrote in 30 width, 40 height, 1.5 in dimensions, in inches. Then medium, mixed media, and then I wrote, this is to certify that this painting identified hereby is an original and authentic painting produced by the artist Gail McFarland. Then I sign it. Then I put my website and the UR on it. What is missing? The date. You don't need to date this. In fact, sometimes when people look at it and go, why didn't this sell? This is like a year old. Well, it just didn't sell because it wasn't at the right venue, or maybe you just didn't sell it. So don't ever put a date on your painting. If you want to know when you painted it, put it in your inventory number. That's why I do. The first two numbers of my inventory number is the year I painted it. So after I finish filling this out, I'm going to glue it to the back of the canvas so that people could have it. And it's a great inventory sheet for me. Well, I hope that helps. So until next week. Love you guys. Bye-bye.